Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to compare two ways to make perfect pizza. One way would involve using this beautiful and widely available pizza stone and a conventional oven, and the other way would involve using Breville Pizzaiolo. By the way, it's totally non-sponsored video. I wish it was, but it's not. I paid for this pizzaiolo, it's mine. Without further ado, let's go. In order to be as open-minded as we possibly can for this comparison, we are going to cook the same type of pizza in both ovens. So, today I've chosen to cook Neapolitan style pizza, and the recipe is provided by Breville itself. It comes in the manual. If you're interested in the recipe of the dough, I'm going to write it down in the description, so check it out if you want to. And we're going to use the same type of ingredients, the same dough, the same ingredients, as close as possible. And for the purely scientific purposes of this comparison, we're going to go as close as possible in terms of temperature and time. So, in terms of time, both ovens and a pizza stone take time to preheat. So, in this case, we are going to go for 20 minutes. Okay, hear me out. I know it sounds way too little, and I'm already suspicious about it because I think that it will be way too little for the pizza stone to get properly preheated in the conventional oven. But this is the time that pizzaiolo requires to get properly preheated. So for these comparison purposes, we're going to go for 20 minutes. We will cook our pizzas, we will see the results, and then we'll be a judge of this experiment. Talking about temperatures, in case of the conventional oven, I'm going to turn it up to the highest degree possible, which is 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And in case of the pizzaiolo, the recommended temperature in this manual for this style of pizza is 750 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is as high as this pizza oven can go, which is great. But based on my experience with this pizza oven, I'm gonna go for 600 degrees, and it will be also more or less the same temperatures, well, at least close, 500 and 600. And also there is another reason for that, and I'm gonna talk about this a bit later, so keep on watching. Second notable thing is temperature. This pizza oven is designed as a professional pizza oven, well, almost, meaning that it can go high in temperatures. As I already mentioned, it can go up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is almost the temperature that the professional pizza ovens can go up to in the restaurant or in the yard of the Italian family. They usually go up to 800 degrees. So that's perfect. And because it can go as high in the temperature, it can also deliver results way quicker. And I can say this based on my personal experience. If you go up to 750 degrees, you can get a perfect pizza done in just 2 minutes. That's real. 2 minutes and you get a perfect pizza. This will never happen with a conventional oven. It will take way longer. Let's talk about pizza stone. Evidently, this little guy here is way less expensive. If we are comparing prices on Amazon for both of the items, you can get a decent pizza stone between 30 and 60 US dollars, while as the price for Breville Pizzaiolo goes up to 1,000 US dollars. This is a huge difference. And the pizza stone itself takes way less space if we're just talking about the pizza stone and not the oven, because you will have the oven anyway. So yeah, if you're living in a condo, you probably won't have space for pizzaiolo, but pizza stone, you'll be fine with. Okay guys, the last thing that I want to talk about while comparing these two items, based on my personal experience with both, is the ease of cleaning. I can tell you for sure that the pizza stone is so much easier to clean. And I've already done a video about pizzaiolo when I talked at length about how difficult it is to clean it while still cooking, while still using it. And you can check it in the link above, somewhere there, yes, there. Yeah, and that leads me to another point, that pizzaiolo, because of its high temperatures, can be potentially hazardous. And that's again based on my experience. This is not the fault of the pizza oven, it's just you have to be careful when you use it, because the temperature goes so high that if you leave any flour or dust or any food inside while it's still on, while the temperature is still high, it can catch fire. It happened to me a few times, and just you have to be really careful. Okay, our ovens are ready. It's pizza time. Finalito! Finally, both of our pizzas are ready. Can you guess which one is which? Yes, you're right. This pizza was made in the conventional oven using pizza stone, and it took us 15 minutes to cook. And this pizza was made using Breville Pizzaiolo, and it took only 5 minutes to get done to develop this end product. So, by the looks of it, I don't know how about you guys, but I personally don't see that much difference. However, if we look closely, we can see that the normal pizza from the normal oven developed more of a tan type crust rather than leopard spotting. It's more even tan. While as the pizzaiolo pizza developed more of a leopard spotting, the desirable color for perfect pizza. I can definitely develop more spots here if I want to, but I personally don't like it because I don't think it's healthy to have too dark pizza, but never mind. Okay, so that's the outside look. Now, let's look at the bottom crust. Very important for a pizza. As you can see, in pizzaiolo we have more of a, again, leopard spotting at the bottom, and here it's more of an even color. And also check out the texture of the bottom crust. The normal pizza is more of a one piece. I can't even bend it, and it's really hard. The edges, like I can't even press it, it's so hard. And this one is way nicer. This is pizzaiolo. I can bend the pizza, I can press on it. It definitely feels better. Okay, time to taste it. Okay, it's not bad, but it's definitely so dry and the crust is so hard, as we have already seen it. Let's try this one. Guys, this one is so much better. It's so much softer and juicier, and it tastes like just like the pizza from your favorite Italian pizzeria. To sum up, I personally would definitely go for pizzaiolo. As we have already seen, the pros of this pizza are quite evident. However, the price difference is also very obvious. So, let me know in the comments below, guys, which pizza would you prefer? And for now, ciao! I'm gonna eat my pizza.